Most of us are tired of being strong. We often think of strength as something solid, something that holds its ground, something that resists. In our minds, strength looks like pressure. But the Dao De Jing offers a very different image. It points, again and again, to water. Water doesn't look strong. You can't grip it. You can't command it. It yields immediately. It gives way. It takes the shape of whatever holds it. From the outside, water appears passive, and because of that, we often mistake it for weakness. But look more closely. Water travels vast distances. It nourishes everything it touches. It reshapes landscapes. Mountains don't defeat water. Time does not defeat water. Water never fights. And nothing ultimately overcomes it. This is why Laozi returns to water. More than any other image, water does not force outcomes. When it meets resistance, it does not push harder. It pauses. It adjusts. It flows around. Wu Wei is not hesitation. It is action that does not argue with reality. Modern life trains us to do the opposite. We are taught to push through resistance, assert control, prove strength. So when something slows us down, we assume it must be overcome. We rarely ask, is this resistance telling me something? Water listens before it moves. We move before we listen. You can feel this difference in everyday moments. You try to force a decision before it's ready. You push a relationship that has gone quiet. You insist on a direction your energy no longer supports, even though on paper it still makes sense. Nothing breaks, but everything feels heavy. This is what happens when we act like stone instead of water. Yielding does not mean quitting. It means responding accurately. Water does not abandon its path. It simply changes its approach. Because of that, it wastes almost no energy. Wu Wei is not soft action. It is efficient action. True strength does not announce itself. It does not harden in advance. It does not brace against the future. Like water, it remains available, flexible, attentive, alive. Instead of asking, how can I be stronger? Water invites a quieter question. Where am I refusing to yield? And what is that resistance costing me? Sometimes the answer doesn't require more effort. It requires a change of shape. You don't need to become like water. You already are. The question is only this: where in your life are you flowing? And where have you started to harden